The industry has changed quite a bit, and one of the best parts of our industry is that it changes, and it has changed so much it keeps everybody's interest at a high level.
My philosophy is safety always. It has to be always constant, and I even put safety always on our hard hats on the back.
I think we do stuff a little bit differently than other electrical contractors. Our project managers, they estimate their own projects.
I've been at McWilliams 35 years now.
In 1922, Mr. McWilliams started the company. I never knew the man, and he basically sold the company to the Shannon family, early 40s. About that time, we had a shop in Vandalia, Illinois, and we had a shop in Wheatland, Illinois, which was a residential shop. We had a shop in DuPage County, and then one in Cook County. And then three of us got together and ended up purchasing McWilliams, Maine McWilliams.
Having a celebration of 100 years is really a milestone. I've been looking at this for the last 5 years when I said, wow, in 2022 we're going to be 100 years. And having a family business, and even our employees are part of our family.
We consider it a family here, even though they're not relatives, but we consider the people that work here part of the family. And we get very involved in what they're doing also, and try and help them when we can when they have issues. And we try and pay attention to what's going on.
And that's another thing, when you talk to a person on the job site, his family, we're all, he's got a dog or he likes to ride motorcycles or something, It's a part of our McWilliams extended family that makes us such a great company and a strong company.
Very important for McWilliams to give back to our community. We do a lot of different charity donations during the year, but the Special Olympics picnic has been our focus. It started back in 1999, and I took over coordinating the event in 2006. It's a group of people in the construction industry that have gotten together every year to make this picnic happen. There's anywhere between 100 to 200 plus people that attend every year, and we look for donations from all of our partners in the industry.
Your reputation goes along with it, and it's very critical to have the reputation that we have. And we really pride ourselves on our reputation of the work we do and how we do it and the people we have. Most of our people have been here with us a long time.
Our guys concentrate on making sure that the projects are done on time and within budget. They work closely with the customers, our clients, as far as the general contractors and also the private sector that we do work for. But really, there's only one person that's familiar with the job from start to finish.
The customers and the general contractors and so forth are demanding it. You have to have a more professional people, a more professional way of approaching your jobs, and it's a good thing because it helps and it cuts costs down and keeps the jobs on schedule. Fortunately, I've been able to move along those same lines, serving in different associations to better the industry. And fortunately, my son Jerry has gotten the same bug as he's gotten very involved in the safety programs, both not only locally, but nationally. He's on a national committee now.
Years ago, my twin brother, Jeff, who's a C-card electrician, was working on a job, and we didn't mandate safety glasses on the job. This was back at, early days, and he got something in his eye. And the owner, my father, said, hey, we are going to mandate safety glasses. And this was before even mandating, hard hats on the job. So it went together with hard hats and safety glasses will be mandated that everyone wear them. Even if there's no hazard, because people say, well, there's no hazard for me, there's nothing gonna fall on my head. It's still something that, it's part of your uniform or your boots, hard hat, safety glasses, right? It's part of your PPE, and it has to be PPE, it's personal protective equipment. You make it personal.
And the other part of our business that's changed is the safety part. Frankly, the things I did when I was in the field, I'd never ask our guys to do that today. It was dangerous, and we did things, we took chances that we shouldn't have done, okay? But basically we didn't know any better.
I would have to say that it's our employees that make us a safe company. When you think about safety and you think about safety is everyone's responsibility, it's the employees that know that, hey, if I'm not on the job site consistently, that behavior-based safety will show that it's being safe when I'm not around. They know that hurting or getting hurt on the job site will hurt the company. It'll hurt our mod rate, our EMR, then we can't bid work. So having a safe company and having the safety rating that we have makes us a better company than our competitors.
It's like the Special Olympics thing. It's self-fulfilling to go out there and see when you go and have that program, what you're doing for these people, and they need that kind of help, and there's just not enough of that being done.
Since the inception of the picnic in 1999, we've been able to raise $393,000 for Illinois Region E of the Special Olympics.
I follow his model, and that is give back to the industry that has done so much for you. I mean, as a safety guy, not a lot of companies have a full-time safety person, and I am out there. Safety, as Nika would say, safety is not a secret, right? If I can help another company's employees be safe, or help out their superintendent or their project manager with training, or just if they have a question, they'll call me up, they'll text me.
Well, other people ask me, why isn't McGlynn Electric? I said, because McWilliams Electric has got a terrific reputation and name, and why would you want to change that? And so that's why we kept the name as McWilliams.
And moving forward after the 100 years, we're going to go on for another 100 years, and it's going to be the employees that make it the next 100 years.